Hi everyone, today's day 9 of my challenge 30 faces in 30 days and I didn't have much time, so I just wanted to do a quick sketch. I used my Fabriano Venice book, brand new. I haven't used it before. It has drawing paper in it, it's 90 pounds and it has a nice texture to it. And to draw, I use my Pilot Color Eno red mechanical pencil. I really like to sketch with this because it's nice and creamy. The only drawback is that it's hard to erase. But being just a sketch, then, I'm not supposed to really have to erase anything because it's not supposed to be a final drawing. Once more, I used a reference photo from the Sketchy app and I just went for it. I just drew the rough outline of the face and slowly added the details. And I think it's always the shading that really brings all the features into place. Trying to look at the reference photo as often as possible and comparing all the different spots, like where the ears are compared to the eyes and the bottom of the nose and the mouth and all that stuff, just to try to put them in the right place. This one's a bit tricky because the photo was taken from slightly below her face, so it's not straight in front of her. And you can tell because the ears look lower than when the face is straight. I'm not sure I lined up the eyes very well, but again, it was a quick sketch and I really enjoyed it. I wish that the lead was easier to smudge so that I could work on my shadows better. But on another hand, it prevented me from going too dark. And I was able to just keep very light shadows, and that way her face looks nice and smooth and young. Because I noticed that I tend to add too many shadows sometimes, and it just ends up adding too many lines and wrinkles to my faces, and they end up looking older than what they really are. So anyway, I keep on learning every day as I'm drawing all those faces, and I'm really enjoying it. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow with day 10. It's a third of the way through the challenge. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.